Hello Year 5. As my boys are happily playing in the garden in the sunshine, I thought I'd sneak inside quickly and make some chocolate Rice Krispie cakes. So if you would like to make some along with me, keep following, and I'm just going to quickly go through the things you're going to need. So you'll need a rectangular or square baking tin. You'll need to grease that with some butter and some grease-proof paper. You're going to need 100 grams of unsalted butter. You're going to need 300 grams of milk chocolate. You're going to need 150 grams of Rice Krispies. And then finally, 100 grams of marshmallows. If possible, the mini marshmallows are better. I couldn't get my hands on those, so I've got the standard size, so I'm just going to have to chop them into little pieces. So if you can get mini marshmallows, they will work better. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is I'm greasing the baking tray with a little bit of butter, and I've just ripped off some of the wrapping paper that was around the butter. That's what I tend to use. So I'm just going to make sure that the baking tin is greased so that nothing sticks to it. And then using my baking grease-proof paper or non-stick paper, I'm going to measure out enough paper so that it can line the tin. Okay, so in a large pan, I have put all of the unsalted butter, which was 100 grams. I've put 100 grams of the marshmallows, which I've just chopped up into smaller pieces. I'm not sure how well that's going to work because last time they were a lot smaller than that, but I'm kind of rushing. And I've also put in 100 grams of the milk chocolate. Be careful, you don't want to put all 300 grams in, just 100 grams. This is when you're going to need a grown-up to help you, because on a very, very low heat, I'm going to start stirring the mixture together so that the chocolate and the marshmallows and the butter kind of melt and combine into each other into like a lovely gooey liquid. So please, please, please ask your grown-up at home to help you with this part. So I'm going to turn the heat on and get a wooden spoon to stir. That'd be useful. Oops. Still haven't mastered the art of recording in one hand and doing in the other. Mr. Ferguson and Mr. Church make it look really easy. I'm not sure how they do it. Okay, I might be here for some time, so it'll be boring for you just to watch all of this. So I'm gonna press stop and then I will start recording again when we're a bit further down the line. But this is the next step, okay? Okay, a bit of progress for you. The milk chocolate has all melted. The butter has nearly melted, so it's just the marshmallows now. So I'm just going to keep stirring and be patient. Okay, the butter has melted, the chocolate's melted. We're still waiting for these stubborn marshmallows to completely melt and combine with the butter and the chocolate, so we just have one big kind of gooey mixture. I mean, guys, seriously, this does not look appetizing at the moment, does it? But I promise it will be worth it and they will end up tasting delicious. But I know it doesn't look appetizing right now. Okay, so I think we're pretty much good to go now. So over here I have my 150 grams of Rice Krispies, and what I'm going to do now is carefully pour this gooey mixture of the butter, the milk chocolate and the marshmallows over the top and then stir it in. Oh wow, that is really satisfying to do. Okay, we are going to stir the mixture in now. coat all of those Rice Krispies, this lovely chocolatey, buttery marshmallow mixture. Oh, it smells absolutely gorgeous. It's a shame YouTube doesn't have like a smelling function, because this would make you hungry if you could smell what I can. Delicious. Okay. You keep going until all the Rice Krispies are covered. Right, when all the Rice Krispies are covered, you are going to turn out the mixture, which basically means pour the mixture, or carefully scoop the mixture into your tin, which has been lined with the greaseproof paper, and then with the back of a spoon, the back of a metal spoon, really press the mixture down. Okay, you want to make it flat, basically. It's good, guys. Okay, so like I said, you have to, with the back of a spoon, just press it down, squidge the mixture all the way around your tin, all those corners. My boys have come in from outside now because they could smell. Mummy was cooking, well, not, I can't really call this cooking, can I? Creating something in the kitchen, and they have come in. They have done this with me before, so they were eager to see what was going on. Right, we are nearly there. There are 2 more steps to this. So what you've got to do now is carefully, again, the tin might be slightly warm, so you might want to ask a grown-up, just pop it to the side, pop it to one side. And we're going to need to use the hob again now to melt the remaining milk chocolate. So we started with 300, we've used 100 already, so we should have 200 grams of chocolate remaining, which we are going to melt now. Now, when Mrs. Wassel is feeling lazy, I would just do this in the microwave, but let's do this properly today. Let's do this properly. Okay, so in the saucepan now, I've got some water that is going to be boiling, and this is a heat-proof dish that I just used earlier to weigh the marshmallows and the butter and the Rice Krispies. So I'm going to put the remaining 200 grams of chocolate in here and let it melt, and I'm going to keep stirring it so it doesn't stick or start to burn, and then that melted chocolate is going to be poured over there. Oh wow, this is looking so good, this is smelling so good. So the chocolate is just slowly melting. I don't know about you, but throughout lockdown I've been eating so much chocolate, so I'm trying to be good now, really. Otherwise none of my clothes are going to fit me when I need to start wearing smart clothes again back to school. So this is going to be torture because I'm not going to be able to eat any of this. Maybe I'll have a slice, but this just looks and smells delicious. Nearly there. It's just a few more lumps you want to melt. I wonder if some of you guys might have made these before, so you might be pros, but still take photos or videos and show me how yours turn out. Maybe you add other things in with the Rice Krispies. Okay, nearly there. Okay, so what you're going to do now is pour this is so hard doing one-handed, pour the milk chocolate onto the Rice Krispies. I'm going to have to put you down, guys, and use 2 hands to do this, but I will show you what it looks like in a minute. I just need to get a spoon so I can scrape all that chocolate over the mixture. Okay, here we go. So with the back of that spoon again, I'm just going to smooth out the chocolate so that all of the Rice Krispies are covered. And you might think, oh no, I haven't got enough chocolate, but it does go a long way. Really kind of stretch it out into every corner. Okay, so hopefully yours looks a little bit like mine does. So we just need to leave it to set now, guys. So I am going to put mine in the fridge to speed up the process a little bit. It'll take about 20... Just had 2 little visitors. It'll take about 20 to 25 minutes to set, okay? So just leave it into the fridge, wait until the milk chocolate has solidified and it's hard to touch. Okay. Okay, so the chocolate has solidified now and it is hard to touch. So I'm going to carefully lift it out of the baking tin and lay it down on a hard surface so I can chop it with a sharp knife into little squares. Again, with the use of the sharp knife, ask a grown-up to help you with this. Right, here we go. They're good. Okay, guys, I'm no Nigella Lawson or Didia Smith. I'm sure your parents will agree, but try these. They're really good. They're really easy to make. No baking as such involved. But yeah, have a go. Good luck. Show me photos, send me videos. Stay safe, guys, and really look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.